Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I'm excited because I just wanted to share with you something that's been on my mind and on my heart for a little while, and that was opening up my own crafting group on Facebook. There's tons of crafting groups, tons of places that you can go, enjoy, and learn. But I've come to notice that each group kind of has its own vibe, has its own flavor, kind of takes on its own personality. And so I just wanted to create a space, all types of crafters, that you can come, feel like it's a safe space, it's good, it's positive, and it's uplifting. So I tossed this idea around for a while. I talked to some of my family members a few months ago to talk to them about being moderators, and they agreed, and I sat on the idea. And then one day I was really thinking about how I can encourage other people with their love of crafting to keep going and try new things, and I realized I needed to take my own advice and go ahead and start this group. So this is just a short video to tell you that this group is now in existence. I've been behind the scenes trying to work on some things, getting rules in place, getting moderators in place, and starting to invite people. So I'm going to drop the link in the description box. I hope you guys will come over to Facebook and join me. Again, this is going to be a wonderful place. Crafting with Hope stands for hope, optimism, positivity, and encouragement. And so that's what I want this environment to be. I hope you all will join me over there and make this a great crafting place where people can come and learn, encourage each other, share ideas, and just be great. So I hope this helps somebody in some kind of way. And I'll see you on Facebook.